Researchers are developing sheets of ultra-thin, ultra-flexible electronics that can stick to your body.
What if the devices you wear could sense pressure, temperature, and even chemical changes, just like human skin? Studies show that over 60% of people now wear health tracking devices. Well, the future is here. Welcome to the world of smart skin technology. What is smart skin technology? Smart skin technology is all about creating materials that can mimic the sensory abilities of human skin. Think of it like a second skin for machines, flexible, adaptable, and able to respond to its environment. It's a breakthrough that allows machines and devices to interact with the world around them in a much more natural way, just like humans do. But how exactly does it work? Imagine a surface that can feel things like pressure, temperature, or even moisture. That's what Smart Skin is designed to do. Whether it's a wearable device or a robot, the idea is to give it a sense of touch, making it smarter and more responsive. It's like giving machines the ability to feel. How does Smart Skin work? The magic behind Smart Skin lies in its ability to sense a variety of things. From pressure and heat to even chemical changes, this skin can detect stimuli the same way our skin does. And just like our skin can send signals to our brain, this smart skin can send data to machines, telling them how to react to their environment. But what's even more amazing is that it's not just about feeling. Some versions of Smart Skin can actually generate power from sweat or moisture. That's right. Imagine charging your smartwatch just by wearing it throughout the day. It could even work on those days when you don't sweat much. How cool is that? Smart Skin is designed to pick up a wide range of signals, from basic pressure and temperature to more complex stuff like humidity and even the presence of harmful chemicals. Smart Skin can sense it all. This makes it super useful for everything from healthcare to robotics. For devices that will be in contact with your body, especially in healthcare, it's important that materials used in Smart Skin are safe. Researchers are working hard to develop skins made from biocompatible materials, meaning they won't cause irritation or harm when worn for long periods. This is a big deal for wearable health monitors and prosthetics. Smart Skin isn't just about feeling, it can also send and receive data. For example, it can monitor things like your heart rate, body temperature, or glucose levels, and wirelessly transmit the data to an external device like your smartphone. So, it's not just a sensor, it's a communicator too. One of the best things about Smart Skin is how energy efficient it can be. Some types can even gather energy from the environment, like your body heat or sweat, to power themselves. This means that devices powered by Smart Skin might not need frequent charging, which is pretty convenient, right? In healthcare, Smart Skin is already being used to develop wearables that can monitor vital signs in real time. For example, smart patches or bandages can detect temperature changes, pressure, or even moisture levels, helping to keep track of a patient's condition without being intrusive. These devices could potentially help doctors diagnose and treat problems faster, even catching issues before they become serious. Smart Skin technology is also making waves in robotics. Robots that have Smart Skin can feel what they're touching, giving them a sense of touch similar to humans. This is especially useful for delicate tasks like surgery, where precision is key, or when robots need to handle fragile objects without damaging them. It's like giving robots a sixth sense. One of the most exciting uses of Smart Skin is in prosthetics. Imagine a prosthetic hand that can actually feel things. Researchers are creating artificial skins that can mimic the sense of touch, helping people with prosthetic limbs experience sensations like pressure or texture. This means that users can interact with their environment in a much more natural way. Smart Skin isn't just for wearables or robotics. It's also making human-machine interfaces a lot more intuitive. Take virtual reality, for example. With Smart Skin, devices could respond to touch and gestures, making the experience feel more real. Imagine feeling the texture of an object in a VR game or receiving haptic feedback when interacting with a virtual environment. It's all about enhancing the user experience. So, what makes Smart Skin so special? It's all about the level of detail it can detect. Unlike our own skin, which needs to slide to identify textures, Smart Skin can identify different textures just from a single touch. This makes it incredibly accurate and efficient. But it gets even cooler. When paired with AI algorithms, smart skin can learn and adapt. For instance, if it detects something harmful like a hazardous substance or pathogen, it can send an alert to the wearer or monitoring system, potentially saving lives. Now, here's where things get even more futuristic. Researchers have found a way to create biofilms that can produce electricity from your sweat. That's right, your own body could power devices like wearables or even robots. This technology is based on a fascinating process called hydrovoltaic energy generation, which works by harnessing the power of water evaporation. Essentially, when sweat or moisture evaporates from your skin, it creates a flow of water molecules that generates electricity. This method relies on the natural evaporation process, making it both sustainable and energy efficient. It's a clever way to power devices without relying on traditional charging methods, such as plugging into a wall socket. During testing, researchers found that this biofilm could produce power for up to 18 hours using sweat alone. That means even if you're wearing a device all day long, your body could generate enough energy to keep it running. This could significantly extend the lifespan of wearable devices like smartwatches, fitness trackers, or even medical sensors. Imagine never having to worry about charging your smartwatch every night, just wearing it while you go about your day and letting your body naturally power it. What's even more impressive is that the technology doesn't rely solely on sweat. Even on non-sweating skin, the biofilm was still able to generate a substantial amount of electricity. This means that even on days when you're not sweating heavily, say during cold weather or low-intensity activities, the device can still collect energy. This breakthrough could completely transform the wearable tech industry, making devices more self-sufficient and reducing the need for constant charging, ultimately changing how we use technology on a daily basis. Where is smart skin technology going? The future of smart skin technology looks incredibly promising. With new research constantly coming out, the possibilities seem endless. Researchers are developing stretchable skins that stay sensitive even when they're stretched or bent. This means that robots or wearable devices could be even more flexible, adaptable, and efficient than ever before. But it's not just about making devices more comfortable or efficient. This technology could fundamentally change the way we interact with the world around us. By giving machines the ability to sense and respond to their environment like humans do, we're opening up a whole new world of possibilities. We might be on the verge of seeing devices that can truly interact with us, understand us, and even anticipate our needs. Smart skin technology is still in its early stages, but it's growing fast, and it's already having a huge impact on areas like healthcare, robotics, and prosthetics. From monitoring vital signs to enabling robots to feel their environment, the possibilities are endless. As this technology advances, it could make our wearables smarter, our robots more human-like, and even our prosthetics more natural. It might sound like something from a science fiction movie, but it's becoming a reality. So, who knows? Maybe one day we'll all be wearing devices that not only help us stay healthy, but also enhance our senses. It could change everything. What do you think? Could smart skin technology be the future of how we interact with machines? Would you trust a device powered by your own sweat? The future is definitely looking interesting, and it's only just beginning.